In this video, I am going to show you a quickly easy way to create a detailed prompt from image using AI. Imagine you want to generate copyright-free image, but you are not sure how to describe it effectively. Crafting the perfect prompt can be difficult, especially if you are unsure of the exact word to use or how to include all visual elements accurately. For example, let's consider an image showing a table positioned slightly to left of the center. On the table, there is a black laptop with its screen turned off. Just to the left of the laptop, there is a streaming cup of black tea. In front of the cup, you can see two pencils laid out horizontally, and beside them lies a sheet of lined notebook paper. To the far left of the laptop, there also a folded piece of paper slightly creased. Trying to manually describe all of these details in clear, concise prompt take time and effort. That's where AI come in. Instead of writing the prompt yourself, you can simply upload the image to an AI tool that analyzes its content and generates an accurate text prompt for you. Once you have the prompt, you can use it to recreate a similar image using AI image generator, resulting in brand new copyright-free versions of the original. It is an efficient and creative solution for content creator, designer, and anyone who work with the visual. So if you are ready to save time and get professional result, let's dive in and see how it's done. To get started, simply go to the prompt wall and open the first website that in the search result. Once you are on the site, navigate to the upload section. Here you will have two easy options. You can either drag and drop an image directly into designated area, or you can click to browser and select an image from your PC. This could be any image you want to use as a reference or inspiration for generating a new copyright-free variant. After you selected your image and uploaded it to the platform, just click on the generate button. The AI will analyze the content of your image, including elements like objects, composition, color, and atmosphere, and instantly create a highly detailed text prompt that describes it. This generative prompt is permitted to be compiled with the ChatGPT and Midjourney, which are two popular AI tools used for text to image generation. Once the prompt is ready, all you need to do is copy it. In my case, I will be using Midjourney, so I will paste the copied prompt into text box in Midjourney interface. Within the moments, Midjourney will create a brand new image that visually matches the original in style or content but completely unique, giving you a copyright-free image that you can use for your creative project, content, or marketing materials. This method saves you time and remove the guesswork from the writing complex prompt manually. Whether you are the content creator, graphic designer, marketer, or just sometime exploring AI tool, this workflow make the entire process smooth and beginner-friendly. So guys, I truly hope this video help you understand how to convert an image into a prompt and then turn prompt back into a new copyright-free image using AI. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.